Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create WordPress account. Let's get started. You can see right here that I have searched for WordPress register. So you can see in here this first link. Head over and click on it in order to start the account creation process. You can create your account with Google, Apple, GitHub, or with email. So I'll head over and then create it with my Google account. So I'll just head over and sign into WordPress using my account right here. Now this will sign me in. Now, this is what it will look like next. You just need to choose your domain. So, for example, let's put in here VMTiara, and then it will show you some domains, like for example, VMTiara blog, vmtiara.com that you can see for this case. So, for example, you can actually just put in here the free things for this one. I'll just choose this vmtiara.wordpress.com and click on the select in here and click on continue. This one is free, but if you have any domain you have one, just head over and then choose them. Now you can select the flavor of your WordPress or the plan that you want. For me, I'll just head over and choose in here the free plan. Click on the start with free right here, and then this will create the website for me in here. It will ask me what are my goals, so just head over and select your goals right here, and then continue right there. Once you have continued it, it will show you your WordPress site, which is here, and you can just pick a design. For me, I'll head over and then just choose in here this author. So click on this right here, and then you can see in here the author preview. Click on continue right here if you're done with it. And now this will create the website for you. Now, as you can see, it has been created, and then after that, we should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.